Okay guys, just open settings, then scroll up, then you can see the option of display and brightness. Just open it. Yes, then scroll up, then you can see the option of raise to wake up is here. Just tap on it. Now you are turned on your raise to wake up. That means if your phone is locked or screen is off, just pick up the phone, your phone automatically turn on the display. That's it. In the using this feature, you can save your power button, because if you press more time power button, that will because the power button become damaged too early. So use this feature for getting your phone more useful for more years. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.